The new RICS Rules of Conduct came into effect on the 2nd of February 2022. They replace the Rules of Conduct for firms, the Rules of Conduct for members, and the 5 RICS Global Professional and Ethical Standards. The new Rules of Conduct have 5 rules, and an Appendix A that sets out core professional obligations of members and firms to RICS. APC candidates must know all 5 rules and Appendix A and how to apply them for both members and RICS regulated firms. Rule 1 is about integrity. Rule 2 deals with competence. Rule 3 promotes quality. Rule 4 requires respect, diversity and inclusion. Rule 5 is to maintain public confidence. Appendix A sets out the core professional obligations for members and firms, which is the way they have to interact and respond to RICS. If you want to learn more about the new rules of conduct and how to apply them, please enrol on our rather good course on APC ethics, rules of conduct and professionalism on Udemy.